In front of me is ZTE Blade V2020, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, select Edit Contact, and now click on the camera icon here to change a photo. So now you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. I will choose something, and now just grab a photo that you would like to add. Here you can smoothly customize it, so you can zoom it in or out. You can also rotate it if you want to, but I will leave it this way. Tap on Done then, and click on Save. And from now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime this contact will be calling you, you will be able to see this picture at first. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.